In this session, we're going to take a look at Civil 3D support for large image files. On my screen, I have a large CAD file. Let me zoom in. And if I get a little closer here, you can see that I have some geometry that represents parcel lines. I have some building footprints and some streets. If I back up, we can see that this geometry represents probably a couple different counties. I'd like to add an aerial photo to the background. I'm going to do that by bringing up the map task pane, and then I'll click the data can, and I'd like to connect to data. I'm going to connect to a raster image using the FDO tool. I'll select this Mr. Sid image. We can see that's 900 meg, so it's almost a gig. I will then choose connect, add to map, and you can see in less than 2 seconds that file was added to my model. I'd like to push this to the back now. I'll just select the image, and we'll go to display order, and I'll choose send to back. Now that we have that large image in the file, I'm going to zoom in. And as I pan around, you can see the image updates quickly. We'll pan over a little bit more and I'll zoom in. One of the benefits of connecting to the image using the FDO tool is I can come over to the task pane, I can right-click the image and choose Resample Raster. Then I'm only working with the amount of image that displays within my viewport. Let me pan over and I'll do it again. I'll zoom out. We'll see the image has been clipped again. I'll zoom out some more. I'll right-click and choose Resample Raster, and we can see the image for the majority of my geometry.